Ini presha jamani, ini presha unanipatia. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunny Scarlett. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Now today we are going for a trip. We are going to a country like for two to 3 days, so I want us to work together and have fun. Yes, let's go.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky's so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze.
Ini presha jamani, ini presha unanipatia. Tell them.
Yeah, so guys, tumesimama kidogo, we take tea, then from there we can continue with the journey. Sikuambia kwenye tunaenda, but it's a surprise. It's a surprise, guys. So get ready. We still have like 5 hours to go. So let's go. Tumemaliza, let's go.
That is speeding now. Speed. He's speeding, then he's slow. That is go too fast. Slow. The line is slow. I should have done this my animal.
So finally, guys, we are here and ready to start our vacation. Do come say we're ready. Are you ready to enjoy your vacation?
Yeah.
So tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Sawa. So guys, tumefika, tumechoka, tumekuwa kwa gari for like I think 9 hours to 10 hours. So people are very tired, very tired. So tutapumzika, then tuanze our vlog starting tomorrow. So be ready for everything. Aonesha how my vacation is going to be. We are only here for like 2 days, then we say goodbye. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.